Model, 66 Plate Mercedes Vito 111 CDI Long Ulez compliant, needs turbo, no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 158017. Engine, 1598 cc ohm 622 114 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. The engine starts and sounds brilliant. Turbo is just not spinning. It's not burning any oil or making any noises, just a simple turbo replacement job will fix this. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,295 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.